Hello, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Joanne. We are both registered dietitians here at the Augusta Military Medical Center. Welcome to our cancer prevention cooking series. We have been highlighting colorectal cancer. This month is also Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and the American Cancer Society recommends plant-forward meals for overall cancer prevention.
Today's recipe is a quick and easy, refreshing summer salad. You can meal plan this ahead. It's portable. You can enjoy it at home or on the go. All right, first let's start by making our creamy pesto dressing. So just a tip before we get started with blending everything, you're going to want to soak your raw cashews in very hot water for 15 minutes. To get them hydrated, and so that it makes for a creamier dressing in the end product. So we've already done that ahead of time. So this is our half a cup of pre-blanched raw cashews. They're going to go into your blender. These are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, as well as heart-healthy fats. Then we're going to go next, and we're going to have 2/3 of a cup of loosely packed fresh basil, 1 clove of garlic, a fresh garlic, and 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. So if you're not familiar with this, this is a vegetarian product. It's high in B vitamins. It adds a really nice cheesy flavor to anything. This could be sprinkled on top of vegetables. It could be put into popcorn, and any type of dressing like we're going to make today, where you want to add kind of a cheesy, nutty flavor to it. Next, we're going to add in a 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to add in some salt into that's a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt as well. Then we're going to add in 2/3 of a cup of a plant-based dairy. Today we're using unsweetened soy milk. It's important to get unsweetened, whichever plant-based dairy product you decide to use. You don't want this to be sweet. This is a savory product, so you could do something like an unsweetened almond milk if you wanted to. We're doing soy. It adds a little bit more protein for us. All right. Beautiful. So we have all of our components for our dressing here, and you're going to blend this to the texture or consistency that you would like. We're going to blend this until it's smooth. Ooh, smells delicious. Okay, and then we're going to move on to assembling our mason jars.
Now we're going to assemble our salads. I have our 4 mason jars lined up. This will make meal prep quick and easy. When you are meal prepping salads in advance, you want to put the liquid ingredients on the bottom. So we're going to put approximately 2 tablespoons of the dressing that we just made into each jar. Once the dressing is in, then you will add hearty ingredients. So our goal is we want these salads to last in the refrigerator for at least a few days. So putting hearty ingredients in next will decrease it becoming soggy. So now in this case we're going to add our whole grains. We used farro today. You'll add about a cup of a cooked whole grain. Farro is high in fiber. It's also a great source of B vitamins and magnesium. If you would like more protein in this salad, you could put a 1/2 cup of your whole grains and then a 1/2 cup of beans. Chickpeas would be delicious, and that 1/2 cup of beans will add about 7 grams of protein. Next, we are going to layer in our cherry tomatoes, about a 1/2 cup in each jar. Cherry tomatoes are a great source of lycopene and beta carotene. Those are both nutrients that have been shown to fight cancer in the lab. Next, I'm going to put in about a half a cup of summer squash into each salad. And then I'm going to follow up with some shredded carrots, again, approximately a half a cup. Carrots are also a great source of beta carotene as well. Next, I'm going to put in again, a small handful of red onion into each salad. And then lastly, we're going to finish with our green leafy vegetable. Today we're using spinach. You can use any green leafy veggie that you prefer. But spinach is high fiber. It's also another good source of carotenoids for cancer prevention. And you can see how quickly I've prepared 4 salads, and these can then be stored in the refrigerator for at least 3 days. So this is a great, easy meal prep idea for your lunches for the week.
Okay, we have all of our salads nicely assembled. It's beautiful, looks like a rainbow in a jar. So when you're ready to enjoy your salad, you're just going to give this a good shake to distribute the salad dressing over all of your lovely ingredients. And then you can pour this into a bowl or onto a plate and enjoy wherever you are, whether that's at home or on the go.
All right, so I'm just going to give this a quick shake and plate it. Just pour it onto your plate.
Perfect. Yum, you are going to love this recipe.
Thanks for joining me and Jamie in the Nutrition Clinic. We are located on the first floor at Oaks, and stay posted for more videos.
Thank you. Bye.